A man come round and say, yo, man, them stand up somewhere. Pressure away. Stand up and keep up. He like. You alone, yeah? No.
Alright. Camera lady, why not help me? Guys, come over here.
Hold on, no like this.
Oh. Guys, what's up? What's up, guys? We're here making a delivery, guys. Listen, if you have a small, medium, or large business, we can help you with the logistics needs. We will ship the items from overseas and get them delivered to you here in Jamaica. If they are small items, if they are large items, if they are medium-sized items, don't worry yourself. We're going to ship them, clear customs, deal with all of that headache and hassle. Bring your items, come deliver to you here in Jamaica, right? We're actually in Orchards making a delivery of these big items, alright? So guys, listen, there's a link somewhere, maybe in the description box. Go ahead, click the link, join us today. If you're a business owner, do not miss this opportunity. You are going to be able to ship and get 30% discount on your shipping charges. So please, go ahead, sign up, join us now. We are on the delivery trail. It's night, but it no matter. We're going to deliver your items to your doorstep. We're going to take the hassle out of shipping. We're going to handle all of your logistics needs. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.